officer to look at my passport and be like, okay, okay, girl, you. Greetings. This is Beauty ETC. Welcome to my channel. I am Beauty ETC. I am a makeup lover. I'm a makeup enthusiast and I love all things beauty. In this video, I will be showing you how I achieve this look for a passport photograph. Who says that you can't look good for your passport photograph? You're going to have that passport for 5 years, 2 years, or 10 years. You're going to look good, of course. And if you're like me, I travel looking like a bomb because, first of all, I don't want to be in the plane with breathing the same air with all those people. I'm going to be sleeping. I'm going to be scratching my eyes, scratching my nose, binge watching movies. I mean, I don't want makeup on my face, but I want that immigration officer, I want that customs officer to look at my passport and be like, okay, okay, girl, you fine. That's right. I don't want to look like a bomb in my passport. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you certain things. Of course, in a passport photograph, your ears have to be out. They want your full face. I didn't wear any earrings just because I don't want that as a distraction. And I wore a color that complements my skin tone. Peach colors, pink colors, orange complements my skin tone. Find a color that complements your skin tone and stick to it. Remember, the picture is just here up. Now my wig is packed to the back so that they can see my ears. This is, oh, that's a hair sticking out. This is very, very important. Your ears must show. Other than that, you can play with your face. You want to start with a smooth canvas. Your foundation must be on point. You don't want those pimples showing or that discoloration showing in your passport photograph. Okay, my brows. Yes, yes, why not? My eyes, I want my eyes to pop, so I put lashes and I also lined my eyes so that my eyes stand out, okay? The rest of it is fair game. Lip gloss, of course. You do not want chapped lips. You don't have to go on full on with red lipstick. But let me tell you something, my driver's license, I have red lipstick on my lips and I look good. I love to bring out my driver's license to show people I'm proud of my driver's license. I can't say that for the past years. Most times I just went there, I didn't care. But now I do, honey, okay? I gotta look good, all right? You don't know who's looking. Of course, the lips. They're going to see your lips. So you want to do a little something, something with your lips. A simple liner and lip gloss will do the trick. You do not have to have on lashes if you don't want to. I have small eyes and I just wanted lashes just to make them pop. Of course, blush. I didn't do any highlighter because nobody's going to see it in the pictures. Of course, I concealed my face, you know, so that again, the attention is on the center of my face. So if you'd like to see how I actually achieve this look before the talking or after the talking, kindly stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please like, please leave a comment. Let's go. And let's look fly for this passport photographs, honey. Excuse the way my hair looks. I'm gonna lay down those edges. I'm in the middle of getting my hair out. I think I was loosening my hair actually. I'm gonna make those edges pop in a minute with the Lagoon Jam. That's Lagoon Jam and the Black Panther Edge Hold. Really, really good products. I also use a mousse, a foamy mousse. I find that when I use these three items together, it keeps my edges down, laid, and beautiful. And of course, that's that Beauty Supply comb, honey. It's gonna be laid, honey. Just watch and see. See you guys later. I'll talk to you guys later. We're starting with this face and we are going to be priming. So there's some things that you will have to do. The first thing is prime your face. Nothing too major because This is I'm not going out in the sun. It's just to take a picture and be done with it. So I'll be using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop primer as my primer. I'll also be using the Sephora powder, and I will be using this NARS foundation. Okay, before I forget, I'm actually going to do my brows and my lips, my eye area first, and then my lip area. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing because I want the emphasis to be on the eye and the lip. So I'm not going to be putting foundation all over my face.
3 ways to apply your foundation. You can either start with just doing your eyes and then going ahead to do the rest of your face, meaning your foundation, your base, and all of that, and then your lip. You can then also do just your eye area and then your lip area, and then go on to do the base. Or you can do your whole base makeup, which is your foundation, and then go back and do everything else, which is your eyebrows, your eyeshadow, your lip. I'm using this technique for this particular look because I want the eye area and the lip area to be prominent. This is a tested and proven method. When you do the eye area and the lip area, it will be prominent. If you do the eye area first, it will be prominent. That's just the truth. Keeping it simple with my brows, nothing crazy. Using the Plain in Makeup by Yolanda brown eyeshadow palette to create an ombre effect for my brows.
Now I'm going to be using the NYX Proof It waterproof eyeshadow primer. The reason why I'm using this is because I cannot find my e.l.f. primer. That's the only reason. Otherwise, I only use that e.l.f. because it's matte. It's a e.l.f. matte concealer, and it gives me a very nice base to work with. So I like to use the e.l.f. We're not doing anything in too much with the eyes. We're just going to do something quite basic. Alright, this is a passport photograph. I will be using the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. Okay, why? Because it has very beautiful colors. I'm going to be using these 2 colors and maybe more, but for now I'm doing my transition with this color with a fluffy no-name brush, and I'm just patting in the color, nothing too extensive on the eye. Changed my mind, so instead I'm going to be using this Maybelline caramel collector, and before I do that, I'm going to use this liner from Godly Glow Cosmetics, and I'm also going to be using this color from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is Heroin. Okay, now I have lined my lips with a brown lip liner, and I know I look crazy. Don't worry, and clean everything off. Okay, and I'm going to be using this brown powder eye and the lip to stand out, I'm going to be cleaning up my lip area with a little bit foundation.
Forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside the situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little
So I've powdered my face and now I'm going to be doing blush. I'm going to be using this same color. I'm not highlighting my face, there's no need for that.
It hurts me how everything was wasted.
This is the, ooh, smells good. This is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. So this, my dears, is the finished look. I did tone down my lips a little bit and I just basically cleaned it up a little bit and I put just lip gloss because I think my lips are already stained with the orange. I just wanted that orange stain on my lips and I put lip gloss. The liner is what is important. The reason why my lips stand out so much is because I did my lip. If you watch the video, you've already watched it if you're listening to me talking, is because of the technique that I applied. There are techniques to these things. There are styles, there are methods to the madness. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe. I have more content coming your way. Thank you for watching.